How to fix Telegram too many attempts, try again later issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can fix if Telegram says it has too many attempts and try again later. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to log into your account, you're trying to send a verification code, or maybe you're just trying to open Telegram and it says too many attempts, try again later. So why does this happen? This happens when you're sending a code on your phone but you're not receiving it, and you're just trying to keep sending and sending over and over again, and it says too many attempts in the first place. So there are also other reasons why this happens, and there are a couple of ways you can fix this. The very first thing you want to understand is that after you go ahead and then actually get that error, do not try to repeat it from the same tab. So if you have opened Telegram in the background, first of all just go ahead and close Telegram, and then after that only just long press on the Telegram app icon here, then tap on the I button to come to the app information page. Then if you're on iOS, first of all try to offload the app, and if you're on Android, go to the option called storage, clear cache. First of all go to manage storage, and then also try to clear the data. Right over here you'll be able to see all these sorts of information. You can just tap on the three dots and choose the option called clear local database. So once you click on the option called clear local database, now you can try to go ahead and then open up Telegram and then see if that fixes the issue. Try to re-log in to the Telegram application again. If that doesn't help, check whether or not you have turned on DND mode. DND mode is basically going to block out all of the notifications you get, as a result also the OTP code that you might have received. So check if that is not the issue. If that is not the issue as well, what you want to do is open up your App Store or your Play Store, and then in the search box just type in Telegram, and then just try to update it to the latest version. What updating does is going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version. And last but not the least, when it says try again later, you should simply try again later. Try after a couple of hours or maybe a couple of days in order to see if that solves your problem. Hope this video helped you and answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.